In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach your LinkedIn profile with online platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour. This simple integration can help you present your professional credentials effectively and enhance your freelance opportunities. First things first, you'll need to head on over to LinkedIn. Open your preferred web browser and type in linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in. You can do this by signing in with Google or Microsoft, or by entering your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, don't worry, it's just an extra security step and LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account with a code sent to your phone. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to your LinkedIn profile. Move your cursor to the top right corner where you'll see your avatar picture, click on it and then select View Profile. This action will take you to your personal profile page, which is the foundation of what you'll share on those freelance platforms. To connect your LinkedIn profile to freelance sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or People Per Hour, you'll typically need to share your LinkedIn profile link. This can be done directly within your profile settings on the freelance platform, or you might include it in your gig descriptions or proposals. This lets potential clients easily view your professional background and achievements. Next, let's get that LinkedIn URL ready to share. You have a couple of options here. A straightforward approach is to simply copy the URL from your browser's address bar while you're on your LinkedIn profile page. Alternatively, for a bit of customization, you can personalize your profile URL. Look to the upper right side of the screen where it says public profile and URL. You'll see a pencil icon. Click on it and you'll have the chance to edit your URL, making it easier to remember and more professional in appearance. Once you've personalized your URL to your liking, input it and hit save. Now, not only do you have a LinkedIn profile URL that's clean and professional, but it's also personalized, a small detail that can make a big impression. Finally, you'll want to take this URL and incorporate it into your profiles on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or any other freelance websites you use. Simply copy your customized LinkedIn URL and paste it where the platform allows you to share external links. This will help clients assess your qualifications and make your profile stand out. And that's it. By following these steps, you've now successfully connected your LinkedIn profile to your freelance profiles, bringing you one step closer to landing that next big gig. Remember, keeping your LinkedIn profile updated regularly can be a powerful tool in showcasing your expertise and attracting the right clients. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck with your freelance endeavors.